welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nurse Lee, and on my channel I talk about nursing, beauty, and lifestyle. So if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell below so that you'll be notified when I post my videos. And if you're not new, welcome back. Thank you for joining me again. So today's video is going to be a hair review. I'm going to be reviewing Unice hair. So I saw this hair online and I saw a lot of people rocking it, and I felt like it would also look good on me. So I figured, why not purchase the hair and do a review on it. The hair I'm going to be reviewing is Unice hair, the honey brown highlighted hair. This hair is already dyed and highlighted, and I really love the colors that they used to highlight this hair. So I'm gonna be customizing this hair on my head and seeing how it turns out. I'm not sure, you know, if it's gonna look good on me or not, but I have a strong feeling that this hair is gonna really look good on me. So here's the box that it came in. I don't know if it's pronounced Unice or Unice, but here it is. And also it came with a wig cap, and I already have the wig cap under my bonnet. And it also came with elastic band. I'll be sewing this elastic band on a little bit later. So read about this hair to you guys and tell you what this hair is about. So this hair is the free part. You can part it any way you want. It's already pre-plucked, but you know when they say it's pre-plucked, I end up plucking it some more. It's a lace frontal, natural hairline, and I got the 13x4 lace part, 150% density, 22 inches, and transparent lace. So this is how the hair looks in this washed out state. I have already washed this hair, and this is how it looks after it's washed. And I also went ahead and put my foundation color on the lace. I didn't want to bleach the lace just because I felt like the hair has already been through enough bleaching process. So I just went ahead and put my foundation color on the lace and sealed it with Got To Be Glue Free Spray, just so it can kind of match my skin tone. So this is the 13x4. It comes with clips. I hope you guys can see that. Clips on each side and in the back, but I don't use these clips. I'll sew the elastic band on later. Here's how it looks inside, and let's get a close-up on the color. I'm really loving these blonde highlights. So yeah, so I'm gonna put this hair on my head and style it and see how it turns out. So if you're interested in seeing how the final product looks on my head, then just stay tuned. And I do have a mirror in front of me, just in case you guys keep seeing me look over and look down. I have a mirror in front of me. So this is the wig cap it came with. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe some of the makeup off of my forehead so that the lace will stick better. This is just alcohol pads I'm using just to get some of that makeup off my hairline. So to glue the lace down, I'm gonna be using my Got To Be Glue styling gel, and I'm just going to put it around the perimeter of my forehead. Because I'm not planning to wear this wig for a long time, so I'm just gonna wear it for 2 or 3 days and then I'll take the wig off. Hopefully it lasts 2 or 3 days. I'm not using bold hold because like I said, I don't want this wig to last too long. So now I'm about to apply the wig on my head. I'll just use my fingers and press it in. I'll use my olive oil free spray to help hold it down some more. So while this elastic band is tying down the frontal to have it melt more, I'm going to go ahead and brush the hair. I'm getting some shedding. You can see the hair is shedding. I don't know if that's because of the whole bleaching process it went through, but the hair is shedding a bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and straighten the hair with my straightener. So I went ahead and straightened the rest of the hair off camera. This is what we're looking like. I might end up curling it later on down the line, but we're gonna keep it straight for now. All right, so when I take this elastic band off, I'm going to cut the lace, make baby hairs, and use my flat comb or hot comb to flatten it down. So I decided to finish the rest of my baby hairs off camera just because I'm not an expert at the baby hairs, so it takes me multiple tries to get them how I want them. And I didn't want this video to be too long, so I did my baby hairs. I've tied the scarf down, or the elastic band down, and now I'm gonna try to create a middle part, by tweezing out some of the hair. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put some of my LA Pro concealer down the middle part just to define it a little more. Just with a little makeup brush. Guys, so I'm pretty much done with this hair. This is the final look. This is how it turned out. Let me show you guys the actual length of the hair. I don't know if you guys can see that, but the hair is pretty long. Alright, you guys, so let me tell you guys my final thoughts on this hair so we can conclude this video. So this hair was not the easiest to apply just because the lace in the front was a little bit thick. So that's a con for me. The lace was kind of thick. It wasn't laying down correctly. And I think the wig is a little too small for my head, because I had to keep pulling it forward to get it to stick. And my sides are not completely laid down all the way, but I had to make it work. So my sides are lifting up a bit, but you can't really see it because I have the hair to my, covering it. So that is a con, is that the lace is a little bit thick. What else? Oh, and the shedding was a bit much. I don't know if it was because of the bleaching process, but this hair was shedding. And it did shed quite a bit. So that's also a con for me. Besides the thick lace and the shedding, the hair was easy for me to style. All I had to do was straighten it. It straightened nicely. It's still soft. It feels very nice and soft. So I didn't have an issue with that. It's true to length. It is 22 inches. The hair is also full. I'm not getting any thin vibes from the hair. The hair is nice and full, which I do appreciate about that because this is 150% density. Yeah, so overall, I do like this hair color on me. It does complement my skin, at least I think so. It does complement my skin. I love the highlights, which is what attracted me to get this hair, because by the time I buy hair and highlight it myself, I don't think it's going to turn out like this. So I really do like the highlight in this hair, and I would definitely recommend, if you like highlights in your hair, then this is the one to buy because they highlighted this hair perfectly. Yeah, you guys, I can definitely see me putting some curls in this, just to give it a little bit more life and to ump it up a bit. So yeah, later on down the line, I will definitely consider putting curls in this hair. But yeah, this is how it is right now, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This Unice or Unice hair, 22 inches, honey brown blonde color, and if you like what you see, I will post everything down below in the description box down below so that you can purchase it yourself. I purchased this hair myself. This is not sponsored. This is the raw truth of what I think about this hair. And if you're feeling it, then you can go ahead and purchase it as well. That concludes this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already done so. See you all next time. Bye.